Hey, and welcome back to Tremaine University, and we are ready to write an offer for our client on a house they're interested in. So let's first find the listing on the MLS and click on Create a Skyslope File. This is going to pull up what I call the Skyslope Wizard, which is going to help you fill out your purchase agreement. We're going to put the buyer's information in, so we're going to select buyer, buyer's first name, last name, and email here. And scroll down to the bottom, make sure all your information is correct, and we will hit create in the bottom right hand corner. I'd like you to click on this all libraries button and then click on Real Estate by Tremaine. These are all of the documents that are pertinent: affiliated business arrangement disclosure, our buyer's agency agreement, and of course the purchase agreement. And then go ahead and click next in the bottom right hand corner. This is going to allow you to click on the purchase agreement. You can add all of the terms to that purchase agreement, price and closing date, earnest money deposit. Once you have all of that, you can select all the documents here and you can download them. Next, I want to show you where to find the disclosures to the property. Going back to the MLS, under the main picture, you'll find the button that says View Documents. And once we click on that, you will see the disclosures associated with that listing. Go ahead and download those, add those to either an e-signing platform or print them out and have your client sign them, whatever tickles your fancy. Congratulations on writing your offer.